Hi, I'm Shaila Cardoza here. I'm here to talk about the person who is very transparent, humble, and very ground to earth, who not only teaches baking but also how to do the business. Anjana Arun. She teaches how to find your micro niche, most importantly, how to be specific, 3-step success formula, and to create your own identity. She teaches how to avoid the mistakes in home baking. She teaches also how to price, how to give more value to your product as well as to customers, how to present yourself, how to be motivated all the time, what is required, everything needs for the baking. I found her through Instagram and I'm very grateful to the universe and the God that she's very humble. She's even made time to call to answer my queries. That is the most the greatest quality, I must say, for a busy woman. Being a busy woman, she made an attempt to give personal touch. So I would recommend Anjana to everyone who wants to do sub business, as in you can say, who wants to think to start their own business, or anybody. She really, I'm very grateful, I'm very thankful, and thank you so much, Anjana.